Hey guys, come follow me shopping all over LA, Melrose, H. Lorenzo. Let's get started. To start off, I'm actually in Arizona. I went to Bottega Veneta in Arizona at the Scottsdale Mall, and I saw this Bottega Veneta bag, and it was so huge and very cute. They also had duffel bags and sandals for the summer. Also, their mini Jody bags were so cute. They had so many different colors. They had this really pink color. It's like a hot pink. Then I went to Louis Vuitton, and honestly, I just don't really like Louis Vuitton's average stuff, like their trendy stuff, but this duffel bag is my dream bag. I really want it. I can't wait to get that. And they had a cute selection of jewelry, but honestly, it was a bust there. Then I went to Zara. Zara had a few good items. They have a lot of good jeans. I was looking for a good pair of loose jeans. Honestly, I didn't really find anything. I tried on the cargo pants and I didn't really like them either. But I did find some stuff online. They do have a lot of great basics. So if you're looking for Skims dupes or like basic tops, they have so many. Next up is the Grove. I just went to Aritzia, and honestly, they did not have that many good items. A lot of their clothes are like corporate LA girl wear, and it's not my style, but I did try on a few items, and they do have like really good quality items. So if you're looking for good basics, everyday wear stuff, definitely shop at Aritzia. But yeah, these cargo pants were not it. I did not like how they fit on me. And this dress was okay, but I just didn't want to get it. I don't know, it just didn't look right. Zara at the Grove was a letdown too. They did have a lot of good basics, but they didn't have the jeans I was looking for, and it was hella crowded. So yeah, shopping at the Grove is a hassle, but these cargo pants were not it either. I don't know, it's just something about cargo pants makes me look like a teenager. Then I went to Nordstrom, and honestly, it was not good either. Like, they had Balenciaga, but you know, Balenciaga's not doing well right now. And they had other brands like YSL and Givenchy, but I'm not into those brands, so I definitely went to Melrose to shop. But Nordstrom was okay. I like their beauty section, and they had a lot of cute naked wardrobe items, so that's also like basics and stuff. I shopped from them online. I then went to Vivienne Westwood, which is a little boutique store. It's kind of like high class. I love their jewelry. They have so many cute jewelries of gold and white gold. Also, their clothes are really cute. It's like a vintagey vibe. I saw this bag that I liked, and a lot of their bags were cute. And I did like this skirt. I didn't get anything, but the boutique was just so pretty and just so calm. And their jewelry is so nice and great quality too. House of CB is one of my favorite stores for like dresses and stuff. But honestly, I tried on 3 different dresses, and most of them were a bust, which we'll get to in a minute. I did not like how they looked on me. They do have a bunch of very high quality and luxurious dresses for cocktail dresses or nighttime dresses, and I tried on this red one, which was number 1. It was a corset front dress. It did not fit me in the breast area, but I really love the skirt of this dress. I love how it went outwards at the bottom. And then I tried on this one. This one was pretty okay. It was long. I would get this tailored to fit at my boobs a little bit more and then get it cut down a little bit, but it was so flowy. And this one was my favorite. It was a little tight because I got the wrong size, but I didn't really like the lace at my breast, but the fit was amazing. Then I went to the Real. I came here to look at the Birkins and the Chanel bags, and they had the leather Birkin, which was $100K. And they also had a bunch of other stuff like Chanel clothing, high-end clothing, and beauty supplies and stuff. But obviously this stuff is very highly priced, by the way. I saw this mini Chanel bag, which was nearly $3,000. And then they had a bunch of different Chanel styles. But honestly, it was really cool seeing the Birkins and the Kellys. I definitely want Kelly and a Birkin, but that Birkin was $100K. But they are very, very beautiful in person. Last up is H. Lorenzo, which is a retail store that sells multiple brands. I just went to look at all the bags and such, and the shoes. They have so much blue marine, which is one of my favorite brands currently, and they had these Jack Moose tops that were so cute and so fluffy. They had a ribbed one and a fluffy one, and this purple color was so beautiful and radiant. But honestly, I was just going to look, and I really want this blue marine bag and the pink heart one, which I'll get to in a moment. But that is my dream bag. I have to get it. It's about $600. I need it. They had a lot of Bottega Veneta, which I love. I love Bottega Veneta. And then this is the blue marine bag that I love. It's so soft, and the fabric is literally so amazing. There was also a lot of Vivienne Westwood here, and I loved this little white bag. But honestly, everything at H. Lorenzo was so pretty. I loved the Bottega Veneta bags and all the accessories that they had. It was very colorful and well displayed. And they had this huge blue marine bag. Oh my gosh, I was literally shocked. It was so huge. Not to mention, I also saw Future shopping at H. Lorenzo 2 minutes prior to this.